Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to create an intro for your YouTube channel or for your business. So let's get right into it. Open up your browser, type in Panazoid, click on the first link. So this is the website we're gonna be using today. This is completely free and it's not time consuming. So we have outros here. We have intros and outros. We also have banners. Okay, so we're gonna use this and think let's look for one more. Let's look for one more. Oh, this looks nice. Okay, go to the next. Okay. It's loading. Okay, so you want to preview, tap this small icon, then preview. Yeah, so you just wait. Okay, so that's the intro. I think it's within 10 seconds. Yeah, okay, so that's it. Let's just go back. Okay, I'll stop here. Okay, so this is where we're gonna be editing it. So first of all, pull up this menu, then you want to go to basics. Always make sure this is in 1080p 30 frames, then length 10. You can decide to put in 5. You can reduce it. That's 5. You can put in as much as you want, but a piece of advice: don't allow your intro to ever exceed 10 seconds or else people are gonna get bored. Okay, so we're done with that. Then you want to come to objects. Then this is where you're gonna change your name. For the purpose of this video, we're gonna be using AC. So just type in AC. Then your font, you can choose your font. I'm gonna choose permanent marker. Then always make sure the settings you put here are always the same settings in the second one and the third. So here you can choose to increase the height, reduce the height, increase the thickness, reduce it. The position, you can move it around. You can change the color down. So there are plenty of options. I like to keep it the way the template was given. So let's change the name AC. Change my font, permanent marker. Last one, AC. Change the permanent marker. So practically you can see everything is changed. Looks nice, and that's all. So music, you can choose your own file, but I like to use the music that was given because it's always like matching. So you can just, if you don't like the music, just click select and it's gonna open your file explorer. Then you have options of going to your music and just choosing your music and open. So I'm gonna leave it like this. Then that's all. You want to preview it, just come backwards, then let's see how it looks. Everything's okay, nice. Okay, so what we're gonna do, mode, I'm just gonna change it to good quality, and MK4, you always want to leave at MK4. Then start rendering. So it's not gonna take that much time, like let's say under 5 minutes. Yeah, under 5 minutes. So guys, as you can see, it's remaining a few seconds. Okay, we're done. So all you need to do is download your video. Then it should pop up right here, downloading. So you just wait. Okay, yeah, that's it right here. So let's open it. My intro is nice, so thank you guys for watching. That's how to create an intro. It's very easy. We did it within 5 minutes, I guess. So like, comment, subscribe, share. If you guys need any more tutorials, please just comment below what type of videos you want me to create. And have a nice weekend. Thank you for watching.